Hey guys, it's Hannah from Better Lettering, and today I'm so excited because I just got my first Tombow VIP box that I ordered, and so I wanted to open it up for you, give you my first impressions and thoughts about what's in it. So the box itself is $25, but the worth of the box I want to say is between $35 and $40, so it's a really good price. The last time, I don't know if it was last month or not, it was when they released their 12 new Tombow dual brush pen colors. I was too late in ordering the box and ordered the pens individually, and it ended up costing me a lot more than it would have if I had just ordered the box. So anyway, let's dig in and see what's inside. So the packaging is super cute. Just gonna throw that out. So first we get our little booklet telling us what's inside, and then, so this was the thing I was most excited about. This is the new product that they released. I have the other Tombow dual tip markers. This is the rainbow one, and then I actually got these out just so I could show you and compare them. So I have the pastels and I also have the brights. So as you can see, these are all different. There might be some, like maybe that blue is a little bit similar, but that's about it. Anyway, just wanted to show you the difference between all of the packs. I was excited about these because they're really good for bullet journaling, which I've been doing really well with this month. And I hope to continue this year. So at the end of the video, I'll swatch these really quick. So let's see what else we got. We got some really cute washi tape, which will be fun in my bullet journal as well. The theme for this box was rainbow, as you can see, because of the new dual tip markers. Another thing I was kind of excited about was this glue tape. I don't have any of this from them, but I've heard a lot of people like this a lot, and I thought this would be really good for bullet journaling as well. That's probably the main thing I would be using this for, is gluing or taping things into my bullet journal. And then, if I can get this out, there is this, which goes right along with my bullet journal, which I talk about all the time. So this is a how-to on different wreaths and doodles. So the intent is for you to use your Twintone dual tip markers to create these in your planner, which I think is a really cute idea, especially for beginners, which I'm not really a beginner, but it's always a nice cheat sheet. And there's actually a few people I know that are just starting out, so I could even gift this to them if I wanted to. And then on the back is a guide to faux calligraphy, which can be really useful for people. Like I said, it's not like, I don't really need this part, but I think it'll be a great gift for a couple people that I know. So that's what's in the box, which is a good value. So real quick, I'm going to swatch these in my bullet journal. Okay. So the first thing I'll show you is just the two different tips. So this is the thicker tip, you can see that. And then this tip with the clip is the thinner end, and it's pretty fine. I don't know if it says how big it is or not. Oh, okay, so the thicker tip is 0.8 millimeters and the thinner tip is 0.3 millimeters, so it's kind of a nice little range. Okay, So let's get started. I was looking to see if they had any official like color titles, but I will just make up the colors. So if you look on my other page, this is a Scribbles That Matters journal, so the pages are a little bit thicker, but there's definitely no bleeding. There is a little bit of ghosting, but that's normal for really anything I use in this journal. So. Okay, so that's what all the colors look like, and full disclosure, I made up all of these names. I have no clue what they actually are called, but hey, it looks like it works. Anyway, if there's still boxes available, I would say it's totally worth the investment. It's a much better deal than just buying the Twintones separately when they release. Like I said, I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't buy the box last time. I guess my philosophy is I can always gift the stuff that I wouldn't necessarily use. Like I said, I'll probably gift the little cheat sheet since I don't really need it, but I think it could be a really cute gift for someone else. And real quick, let's just put a little bit of washi tape in here since washi tape is in. This tape is super, super cute. I like how it's like transparent for the most part, except for the actual color. It's gonna be, I think I'll probably use it more for like some of my summer or spring spreads, but it's nice to have on hand. There's the other one. Washi tapes is a really fun way to add things to your bullet journal without having to be like super artistic. And then I would say that the Twintones are great if you want to do any sort of color coding in your bullet journal. They're really easy to write with. Like I said, they don't bleed through. And if you are interested, you should pick up the other two packs. My personal favorite is the pastels because I really like pastel colors. And then you can also kind of try to line them up with Tombow dual brush pens if you were to do like a spread with certain colors. I found a lot of these to be similar to Tombow dual brush pens. So that is my spiel for this. I'm going to be trying out this tape whenever I find something I want to glue in my bullet journal, so I will report back to you on how I like it. I'm sure I'll love it. I'm going to throw one of these in my backpack now actually. Then I'll probably have a couple in my desk as well. So like I said, I think this box is really worth it. The Tombow Twintone markers I think are really neat. I mean, if you scrapbook, whatever. It's really fun, just fun tool. And you don't have to know how to letter to use it. But one other thing I'll say really quick, I do think this is actually a really valuable guide for people just starting out with lettering. It's a really good resource to fall back on because it can get confusing sometimes knowing like, oh, what ones are supposed to be thicker, blah, blah, blah. So this will show you exactly how, and it also gives you inspiration for a lettering style. So it's kind of fun, kind of cool, and banners are always really fun to add as well. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to hear your comments if you also got the Tombow VIP box and how you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.